All right, this is going to be absolutely the easiest one I'll ever do. So I didn't originally start Wildcard Wednesday to stump people on what the car was, but more to give them an idea of what you could do with a normal car and, I don't know, give just a different twist than what everybody else is doing. So today's Wildcard Wednesday is going to be really easy. You should be able to identify it within just a few minutes, if not right off the bat. But I think it'll be a really cool build. So let me tell you what we have here. This is commonly known as a COE, or a Cab Over Engine. And this is going to be easy because you can read the emblems, but like I said, this is not about stumping you as much as showing you what we can do with this thing. And you'll see down here, it's been crunched up, but the parts are there, and it's old school metal, which means I will be able to straighten it out. You'll notice a whole bunch of bullet holes in here. I want to leave the bullet holes. I'm not real sure what that was. We'll probably leave that too. Even in the hood, the dents, we'll take out the dents down on the fender. And then here, this looks like an absolute disaster. But because it's old school metal, which is folded over down inside there, we'll be able to straighten that back out for the most part. Not perfect. I'm not going to do paint on it. But we'll be able to straighten it out with hammer and dolly and be able to get it pretty good. The hood is dented in. You'll see here it's dented. But we'll be able to pull that out pretty much. By the way, while I'm at it, I might as well tell you guys. Every once in a while you'll see my hand that has the blue, it looks like blue tape. It's not blue tape. It's Band-Aids that my place of employment has. And the work that I do ends up making my skin real dry and my fingers crack, and it doesn't feel good. But anyway, back to this. So this is called a Cab Over Engine, COE. It's light blue. It's really cool, I think. On this type of thing, this is more of a big truck, and so we would probably do it with dually suspension. This is a 1956. Some of them had a bigger window here. This one doesn't have that. I wish it did. They're really, really cool. All right, we'll peek in here. Pretty cool dash on it. I do like it, and it's actually in pretty decent shape. This has very little rust. The doors do have a few bullet holes in them, even on the inside, but that's all right, I'll take it. This 56 is a 1 year only body. So everything on it is very specific to this. It looks very similar to others, but this 56, I think it could be really, really cool. And I would like to make it car hauler or put it back into a form of more like a 3/4 ton pickup truck. So that's what I'm going to draw up for you today. Again, this should be easy. I didn't tell you the brand. You can see it on the fender. And it is a Cab Over Engine, COE is what they call them. So on this one, I would probably want to run a 7.3 liter diesel engine, which I do happen to have. That engine, it's turbocharged and intercooled, and I have a manual 5-speed with it. And that would get really great mileage actually for what it is. And so I think that's a cool shot. Hopefully you can sort of see what it's going to look like. I might give you a couple of pictures of one that's finished up. People have done these. This wouldn't be the first one done. Hopefully you guys like what we have going on here. I really appreciate you guys coming and spending time with us. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and make a comment. We do have the 67 C10 giveaway truck that we're going to be finishing up here in the next few months, and make sure that you're subscribed so that you can qualify to possibly win that truck. And we are at 497 subscribers right now, so I'm hoping by the time this weekend comes around we'll be at 500. We're going to be doing a separate little drawing. And so for this Wildcard Wednesday, it'll end up being wild, but it's a pretty normal little truck. So that being said, I'm going to go inside now. I'm going to give a couple of drawings. I think I'm going to do 2 drawings on this, one as a car carrier and one as a pickup truck, just to run around town and see which one you guys like best. Last week's drawing was a drawing of a carnival ride or a fair ride. This carnival ride is called a Swiss Sky Ride. It was introduced in 1963, 1964 World's Fair. It's the first time it was ever brought out. And I found two of them. There used to be a carnival down in Coolidge, Arizona. And they traveled around, but it was based out of Coolidge, Arizona. And they had a whole bunch of these. And so in and around that town, as they dismantled this carnival, a few of these things have shown up. And I picked up two of them. I think they're pretty cool. Maybe I'll get a chance to do it. Reminder, Sunday mornings at 7 o'clock, I download my video on the trucks that we're building and the cars we're messing around with. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in. So let's get started tonight. All right. Cab Over Engine, COE. Here we go.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Facing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sun rises, when the sun we're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. We're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me howling at the moon.
So that's drawing number 2. That's drawing number 1. I'll probably go with drawing number 1 if I were going to build it. And who knows, I may just build it. So, thanks for tuning in to Wild Car Wednesday. Really appreciate you guys coming by, spending a little bit of time with us. Hopefully maybe some of the ridiculous things that I draw, I don't know, that's not that ridiculous, but it's pretty cool, I think. Could be pretty cool, who knows? That one might be more useful. But I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for coming by and watching what we have to do. Remember to enter into the drawing, you need to subscribe to the channel. You need to give me a like, send a comment, and I appreciate it if you'd share it. We're at 497 subscribers. When we go over 500, we're gonna put together a little package show of appreciation, and we'll do a drawing. I'll do a separate little video, and you guys can, whoever comments on that video, I'll draw your names out, or I'll put all your names into a bucket, we'll pull it out, we'll give you guys something nice. So, from me, the Outrod Garage, to you, thanks for watching.